If you're getting this error out of video memory trying to allocate a texture, it usually means your graphics system doesn't have enough memory to load the required texture of graphical data. Modern games like Fortnite or Valorant use high-resolution textures, shadows, and visual effects which require a good amount of GPU memory. When a game needs more VRAM than your graphics card has available, this error can appear. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to increase your virtual memory in Windows which can help resolve this issue and allow the game to run properly. So without any further delay, let's get started. Go to the search box on your text bar and type Advanced System. From the suggestions, click on View Advanced System Settings. This will open the System Property window. Now go to Advanced tab and under Performance section, click on Settings. A new performance option windows will open. Next, switch to the Advanced tab. Make sure to adjust for best performance of programs is selected. Now we're gonna increase the virtual memory. Under the virtual memory section, click on Change. First, uncheck the option that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Once you uncheck it, more options will appear below. Select Custom Size. In here, we will enter the initial size and maximum size in megabytes. Before entering the values, you should confirm how much RAM is installed in your system so we can calculate the correct size. To check this, go ahead and do your search bar again and type in About. Go ahead and click on About your PC, and here you will see your PC's or laptop's installed RAM. And as for me, I currently have 12 gigabytes of RAM installed in my laptop. So, after checking the memory size, go back to your virtual memory settings. For the initial size, type the recommended value showed under the total paging file size for all drives. For the maximum size, we'll calculate it. First, open up the calculator, type your installed RAM, and multiply it by 1024 to convert it into megabytes. Then simply multiply that result by 1.5. The final number will be your maximum size, so enter that value in the maximum size box. Once done, click OK. If you see a warning message saying you need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect, just click OK, then apply and OK again. Go ahead and close out everything. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC, and this should help fix the issue. I hope this video helped you solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.